Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my online English class. This is Mohammad Lichumia, Senior Lecturer in English, Kuliarchor God College, Kuliarchor, Kishoreganj. Today, I am going to talk about the important rules of using capital letters in English language. So, today, our topic, the use of capital letter in English language. You know that in English language, the English alphabets are written in two ways, capital letter and the small letter. But the use of capital letter and the use of punctuation in English sentences, very important, very significant. So we should discuss the rules of using capital letter clearly. And you should remember this. Okay, let's start our rules of using capital letter. Rule. Before discussing the rule, let's see a simple question. You know that health is wealth. A sound mind lives in a sound body. Okay, this is the simple question you will face in the exam paper. Now, let's discuss the first rule of using capital letter. Rule 1. Capitalize the first word in every sentence. That is, whenever you will write the sentence, the initial word of this sentence and the initial word or the beginning word, beginning letter will be in capital letter. Look at the sentence. Health is wealth. Here H is the capital letter. What is your name? What is the initial word of the sentence? And here W is the capital letter. Close the door. Close is the initial word and the beginning word, and C is the beginning letter. How beautiful the bird is. Here how WH is the capital letter. You know? Then let's discuss the second rule. Second rule, to write the name of a person. Whenever you will write the name of a person in any place in the sentence, it may be in the top or in the middle or in the beginning, you must write this name starting a capital letter. I met my friend John yesterday. Here, John is my friend. John is the name of a person. So we have used capital letter J. Understand? Then rule 3, to write the name of a city. He lives in New York. Here New York is the name of a place. I live in Dhaka. Dhaka is the name of a place. So New York and Dhaka is the name of a place, and we must use capital letter in the initial form of the word. Rule 4. To write the name of organization or institutions. Whenever you write the name of institutions, whenever you write the name of organization, then you must write in capital letter of the initial format. I am a student of Dhaka University. Dhaka University is the name of an institution, and we have used here D and U is in capital form. Understand? Then let's discuss another rule. To write the days, the month and holidays, we use capital letter in the initial stage. She came here on Monday last. Monday is the name of a day, and we have used capital letter. Your examination will be held on May. May is the name of month, and we have used capital letter M. May. To write May, we have used capital letter. Then to write the specific geographical region. He lives in the west. He lives in the west. W is in capital letter. You remember, you do not capitalize points to the compass. কিন্তু দিকের নাম উল্লেখ করতে you should not use capital letter. The sun rises in the east. Okay? Then next rule we should discuss elaborately to write the job title. You know, job title, that is teacher, headmaster, principal, doctor, engineer, etc. To write the job title, please inform the principal of the matter. Here we have used capital letter to write the job title principal. Okay? Then capitalize all the words in the title of the books, articles, work of art, movie, etc. But don't capitalize preposition and conjunction. The Arabian Nights is the name of a storybook. It's a popular storybook, and we have used the capital letter D to write the D, T, the Arabian A, Nights N is in capital letter. So whenever you write the name of a story, name of a book, then you must use capital letter. Okay? Then capitalize the first word of a quote if the quote is a complete sentence. He said, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy here is a complete quotation. And then we have used capital letter to write the beginning word honesty. But don't capitalize the first word of a partial quote. Dear student, if the quote is in partial form, then you should not use capital letter of the initial word. He described the rules as extremely difficult. Here the initial letter E, but we haven't used capital letter. Okay? Then let's see the another important rule, capitalize trademark. That is, আমরা যখন trademark এর কথা উল্লেখ করব তখন আমরা capital letter ব্যবহার করব. The boy likes to drink Coca-Cola. Okay? Here Coca-Cola, this is capital letter. Now 10, to write abbreviation. আমরা abbreviation দেখার সময় we use capital letter. Suppose AMA, Masters of Arts, BA, Bachelor of Arts, BCS, Bangladesh Civil Service. Okay? Then rule 11, to write the name of religion. ধর্মের নাম প্রকাশ করার জন্য আমরা ধর্মের নাম লিখলে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার দিয়ে শুরু করি. ইসলাম, Christian, Hindu, etc. Islam is the best solution. Okay? Next, to write the nationality. I am a Bangladeshi. Here, Bangladeshi, B is in capital letter. He is an American. He is a British. Here, to write British, B will be in capital letter. He is American. A will be in capital letter. To write the special days and festival. You know, special days and festival, we should use capital letter. I like celebrating Pala Boishakh. I like Christmas. I like Eid al-Fitr. I like Eid al-Adha. Okay? You must remember that I like celebration Pala Boishakh. To write the pronoun I. You know, I is used in a pronoun. I is a pronoun. And it can be used in the sentence. In the top of the sentence. It can be subject. And it can be used in the middle of a sentence. But anywhere it is used, that's not factor. It will be in capital letter. John and I went there. Here, I is in capital letter. Then, to write the name of a creator, to write the name of our creator, we use capital letter. We use capital letter. Allah is kind. God is kind. God is omnipotent. Allah. To write Allah, we have used capital letter. Okay? Dear student, use of capital letters is very important and very significant in English grammar. Let's see the summary of our discussion today. Easy way to remember the rules. I request to follow these rules easily. First letter in a sentence. You should remember first letter in a sentence. Then to write quotation, to write job title, to write days and month, to use the pronoun I in a sentence, to use proper noun, geographical region, title of anything, and to write the name of creator, to write the name of any festival or any important days. I hope that you have enjoyed the class. I request you to follow this system, follow this summary. Okay? For better understanding, you can comment in the box. Then I will help you to solve your problem. Okay, dear student, you know it's a very critical period, so be careful. Winter is coming. Please save yourself, save your family. Thank you very much. Thank you.